Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to withdraw earnings from Google AdSense. So yeah guys, before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Hi guys, so on Google AdSense you are paid through wire transfer, so your revenue will be paid out once a month through a wire transfer to your bank account. To receive your payments, you need to provide your bank account information in your AdSense account. So to enter your bank information, just sign in into your AdSense account. In the left navigation panel, click on payments and then just click on add payment method and then just choose the button for wire transfer to bank account and click on continue. After that, just enter your bank account information and click on confirm and continue. So once you have done that, you'll be paid on every 21st of every month. You'll be paid your earnings on the 21st of every month from Google AdSense. So yeah guys, this is how you do it. If you found this video to be helpful, then thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.